we're getting her.
Make me feel at home. In this town we laughed, we cried, we stayed out all night. We did everything wrong.
First unit, Gwen Hunter comes in tomorrow. Freshen her off. Got okayed on the bear line with us.
Oh yeah.
She gonna happen.
We turned out alright, baby. It's bittersweet. You can take me out of this town.
Oh boy. Still have one doozer of a mess to pick up, but time to go look for some geese. Might be hunting in the morning. We shall see.
But you can't take this town out of me.
Had a plan of waterfowl hunting this morning. Everybody set an alarm. Everybody slept through the alarm. Late start, but we're still on time to put our first bear hunter in the woods. Waiting on Cade to grab his sunglasses in the road, meeting him at the Model Town Inn here in Gwinn. They hooked us up with a room. Figure out what it's going to take to get him in the woods. Hopefully puts one down the first night. We'll see. Biggest bear, first hunter's going in for. Fingers crossed.
Here we are again, rolling down some back road BFE. Destination, middle of nowhere, where my view is nothing but trees. And you might think I'm crazy, your uptown city life, but this here is what saves me.
A little bit, they won't be able to see you, but it'll help with that flow of air.
Gotcha.
All right.
Keep it a little cooler in here. It is warm out today.
Damn I love, damn I love.
How's your burrito? Pretty good.
My UP line, where the rivers run and the eagles fly, and my dogs ain't on the leash, where the northern lights dance in the sky.
Oh boy, calling her a day. We got enough brush for hopefully the bull blind and the pontoon blind. And we're starting this collection, fuel wood. Starting a collection for what will eventually be the first ever Hunters for Life Lodge. Shout out to the boys, Bear and Cade, for helping out. Real work never stops. You just take breaks to have fun. Couple hours of daylight, hour or so before we gotta go pick up our hunter. Hopefully drag out a bear. I go look for some geese. Leaving the job site. What do you say, old son? We gonna get him in the marinade?
Another day, another dollar. But as far as tomorrow, heck yeah.
We lay out some hidden beach, on a mountaintop just out of town. There ain't a building in sight. My guitar as the sun goes down. Damn I love my, damn I love, damn I love.
All right, well, we didn't hear any gunshots. Still a little bit of daylight. Twilight hour, waiting for a boom. I haven't lost hope yet. Some sort of creature making some strange noise in this tree. See anything, Bear?
No.
Huh.
I've heard those songs they wrote about Texas and Tennessee.
Nothing, eh?
I thought you guys were too scared to come out in the dark.
How long was
For a
it?
while
We were,
there.
while we were
I-
sitting here, him and Hannah. Well, how dark do you think it is in that swamp?
You know, you never can tell, you know, and I just thought that was probably the case. I'd probably have to crawl my way out.
It'll take you a little while. At least you have a
Yeah,
nice
it
trail,
would.
nice trail to crawl
In fact, I
down.
might
though.
not make it till tomorrow morning, in which case I would just stay right in there. You know,
You didn't get too
right?
warm. You didn't get too warm in there, did you?
You don't know.
I got you, bud.
You're not razzing me, are you?
Huh?
You know I'm razzing you.
Oh, I know you're fine. I'm used to it.
Okay. I like to razz the guys.
Kay, do you want to open that front door up for him, buddy?
Any bears tonight?
No, not tonight.
Not tonight.
Hey, 2 deer though.
Oh, really?
Keep you entertained.
When's the last time you saw something back there on the camera?
Last night.
Last night,
Really?
we had a bear in there.
12 after 11, that big one was in.
Oh yeah,
I was
late.
hoping he was going to come in. I'm sure he'll be in there before I get home. That's usually the way it goes. We do have a game plan. We'll discuss, more when the
in the
We'll
morning.
just see what the cameras say tonight, but there was an illegal bear, 125 pounder, came in our other spot we can get you into.
Oh,
About
you get it?
8:30, 8:45 in there, so you would have a little bit of light yet to shoot. It's a nice open spot there. So if you're not at, I mean, if you're after just your first Michigan bear, we can put you in there tomorrow, and or if
Yeah,
you want
it's not
the,
gonna
if
be
you want the
huge,
big
but-
bear, this
You guys, I'll
one.
go wherever you want.
Oh, that's
I'll go wherever you
the
want.
pressure on me. Well, we'll sleep.
when
We'll
it's-
sleep on
I see
it.
when I don't think it's big enough. Yeah.
All squared away, boys.
All right, I'm gonna shut
I
it.
thought, well, I'll wait here and sit here until they come and get me.
Oh, stock up.
Florida ain't half bad.
George! George! All right, let's go. Let's go. Oh, the work never stops. Got to bring some logs home tomorrow. Perks leaving the goose trailer close to where you hunt. That freaking hurt. Ow. Okay, ready for the marining. We'll probably call her a day. What do you think? We're going to get them tomorrow?
Yeah, we're gonna get them.
We're going to get them.